The Second Chance program has been created to offer a second opportunity to candidates who have taken an exam to obtain any of our certifications, but still need to get the necessary score to pass, and to give them a chance to strengthen their skills. This benefit is offered for each program in the portfolio. Follow these 5-step strategy for a successful CertiProf exam retake. Don't give up if you have come this far to obtain your certification. Consider creating a group study. Some people learn best in pairs. Use the content outline. This will help you strengthen your skills. Understand the subject. Don't just take any exam to pass. Understanding the subject is the key. Retake the exam as soon as possible. Scheduling your retake exam is vital. You've already seen the exam and know where you need to concentrate harder. Learn more about the terms and conditions at certiprof.com/secondchance.